Hello there guys, it's your boy Om from India. Welcome back to the channel. And today's video was actually a doubt clearing. Now I had encountered this problem. Not This was the first time I encountered, and I was completely new to it. So if you guys are using any Logitech mouse, you guys will have this software, which is the Logitech G Hub. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna create a new profile, and I'm gonna name it test. And this test. So over here, so if you guys are mainly Minecraft players and you guys, want more CPS, you guys will turn on macros, or even, you know, um, you guys may also, like turn in double click. Now, the main, like mistake that we all do is, mistakenly just click over here and it's double click, okay, and then we forget to set our primary button, okay, or a primary click. And once I've done this, you guys will be able to see that, let's just say I open YouTube, and over here, just on one click of my button, it's start copying the whole thing. Now that is when you guys normally turn on double click, and once you like remove double click, which I cannot do right over here. Okay, so we are just gonna remove that for now, and we are gonna go to another one. Okay, so test 2. Over here in test 2 again, if we see over here now, if you guys, it could be you guys will enable a macro over here, which which over here mainly I have put it as a DB for double click. Now if you guys want to know how to create a macro for double clicking, well, I do not recommend it, but still I'm going to show you guys. So just name it something. I'm going to name it DB2. Now usually do it no repeat, because like if you guys don't want to get in trouble while playing Minecraft or any other game. Over here, you guys can start now. Record keystrokes. For recording keystrokes, just click your primary button once or over here. It's taken 2 times because double click is on for me. Stop recording. Save this. And over here, the DB2. I'm gonna put it over here in primary. And again, I haven't checked. I haven't clicked on any primary button. Now that is the mistake I do. Now you guys can see that I am with just one click, everything is opening. Yeah, and it's glitching a lot. Now, how do you guys resolve the problem? For me, I was encountering another problem. Okay, for which I'm gonna switch to the macros with the one that I had over here. And with this, you guys can see I am trying hard to click. Okay, so over here on the cancel, I'm trying my hardest to click over here, and it's not working. So yeah, it's not like there's any other button that I've assigned it for. Even my um right click is not working, neither is my side buttons. Now how do you guys actually resolve that? Now when I if you guys go to Reddit and all those, you guys will find a bunch of things, and the one which helped me the most was this one. Now all you guys need is your keyboard, okay, because of course, now I'm gonna prove it to you guys by showing it like this. Now this is just my I'm using another keyboard right over here, and you guys will need to switch your keyboard for this. Now, in this keyboard, you guys have to click on the window, and then you have to enter ease. Now, over here, you guys can type the whole thing, or you guys can, like do the shortcut. And there's a 60% keyboard, and that is the mistake. Now, you guys can use enter normally, and over here, that is control your mouse with the keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna click on space. Now, that's off, that's usually off. And over here, if I click on it again, it's gonna be on. Now what you guys are gonna do? Now the speed of this is gonna be like, I think it's not gonna be the fastest over here because I had done it. Now over here what you guys are gonna do, Windows D, if you guys are using Windows, it is gonna take you back to your desktop. And you guys can use shortcuts, for this, or you guys can again type the whole thing again. Now over here, you guys need to switch your keyboard. Now if you guys have a numpad keyboard, which is not a 60% keyboard, it will work very fine. For me, I do not have that, and that is my main problem. So I'm gonna be switching this and seeing you guys in the next after I get my new key. Okay, so you guys will have to turn on numlock. For any computer, any keyboard, 60% is gonna have numlock. Now you guys can see over here numlocks over here, and all you guys needed this one over here. Now how do I operate it? Now if you guys see, I'm over here clicking on the 8, which is the normal, and my pointer is going up. All my hands are on my keyboard. This is doing nothing. Okay, 4 is gonna put it left, and over here the 5, which is in the middle, is gonna select. If you guys want to know how is that possible, so and over here I'm clicking on 5, and it turned on. Now the control key is just to speed up, so control and this is gonna make it very fast. Now all you guys, I think now you guys will know what you guys have to do. Now you guys have to go to Logitech G Hub, and then you guys have to go to desktop if you guys have a profile. So over here mine's gonna be no change profile. Or if you guys if you guys don't have another profile, you guys can use a default one. That is a default. If you guys have edited the default well, you guys can unedit it with this. It's gonna be a bit of struggle, but it's worth it. And now I'm gonna use my own mouse over here. Okay, how do I show it to you guys? I'm gonna use my own mouse over here, and you guys can see it's working. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching.